The Meklong Railway Market or Huprom Market is a seafood market located in Samut Songkhram province southwest of Bangkok. This is one of the top tourist attractions in Bangkok because the shops occupy part of train track. It is a meter gauge line. When the train approaches, shops are removed from track and replaced back when the train departs. A cheaper way to get there is to take minivan from Ekamai bus terminal. It is at Soi 63 Sukhumvit Road and is just 3-minute walk from BTS SkyTrain Ekamai station. The Ekamai station is on BTS Sukhumvit line. Take exit 2 of BTS Ekamai station to go to the bus terminal. It costs about 100 baht each way from Ekamai bus terminal to Meklong Railway Market. It takes about 90 minutes to go from Ekamai bus station to Meklong Railway Market. There are also buses available from Mochit bus station and Saitai Mai bus station. The taxi may charge around 1200 baht to go to Meklong and return back to Bangkok. That would be suitable for group travel. There are tour packages available, but they may be expensive. This is where the minivan stops at Meklong, and from here it is a 5-minute walk to Meklong Railway Market. The cheapest way would be to take BTS from Wang Vian Yai station, that is in Silom line, to Mahachai station. The journey takes about 40 minutes and costs 10 baht. Then walk to Mahachai pier. From there take ferry to the Tachalong pier, which costs about 3 baht. Then walk to Banlam train station and take train to Meklong Railway Market. Trains arriving at Meklong Railway Market are at 8:30 am, 11:10 am, 2:30 pm and 5:40 pm. Trains departing from Meklong Railway Market are at 6:20 am, 9 am, 11:30 am and 3:30 pm. Start the trip early at Bangkok and plan the trip accordingly. I started at 11 am in Bangkok but has to face the wrath of the Bangkok traffic while returning. In this video clip you can see the shops on the train track. Let us walk along the train track and see more shops. The train honks while passing through the market to warn the people to move away from near the track. The first section runs between Meklong and Ban Lam. The best time to visit would be early in the morning. And from November to March, the temperatures range between 29 degrees centigrade and 34 degrees centigrade, that is 85 degrees Fahrenheit and 93 degrees Fahrenheit. The other tourist attractions near Meklong Railway Market are Damnon Sardwak Floating Market and Amphawa Floating Market. Things to do at Meklong Railway Market are watch 1 or 2 trains going through the market, visit Damnon Sardwak Floating Market, visit and shop at Meklong Railway Market, or buy seafood, vegetables, fruits and more. There is a restroom at the back of the train station. The Meklong Railway Market has become a must-see attraction when visiting Bangkok, although it is 80 km away from Bangkok. It gives a unique experience watching shops being removed from the train track when the train arrives. Taking video of approaching and departing train gives an amazing experience. It is definitely worth visiting provided you have time. It almost consumes a day of your vacation. Adjust your timings or vacation days to include Meklong Railway Market in the visit list. Otherwise, you may get the feeling of missing important tourist attraction. Take videos and photographs of the track and the market before the train arrives. When the train arrives, the concentration will be on taking videos of the train. Remember the way from the minivan stop to the train track so that while returning you can easily return to the stop without losing your way back. Stand quite a bit away from the track to the side to avoid being hit by the train. This is very important. People are advised to stand behind red lines. They are not prominent. I haven't seen the lines. There are announcements in English, Thai, and Chinese, but they are not properly audible in that crowd. Watch your step to not stamp on food products of sellers around the track.
จะได้เวลาขบวนรถออกจากสถานีผู้โดยสารที่มีตั๋วโดยสารแล้ว
Wear a hat and apply sunscreen to protect from hot
ที่
sun.
ยังไม่มีตั๋วโดยสารติดต่อขอซื้อตั๋วโดยสารได้ที่หน้าช่องจำหน่ายตั๋วค่ะ
Carry water bottles if possible. Water bottles are available for about 10 or 20 baht at most of the places.
และขณะวิ่งผ่านตลาดลมหุบผู้โดยสารโปรดทราบงดใช้ห้องสุขาบนขบวนรถขณะรถจอดสถานีและขณะวิ่งผ่านตลาดลมหุบขอบคุณค่ะ
Download Google Translate. It will help in communicating with the local people as it is not a metropolitan city like Bangkok. The point I would like to stress again is to stand well away from the track as in the excitement the judgment may go wrong.
ที่อาจจะเกิดขึ้นจากขบวนรถด้วยค่ะ
Enjoy the moment.
Please be careful about the danger of the train ขบวนรถจะรับส่งผู้โดยสารไปอยู่รถลาดใหญ่เขตเมืองตลอดจนปลายทางสถานีบ้านแหลมค่ะ
In this track, you can see the train approaching and still people crossing the track. This is a little bit dangerous even though the train is approaching slowly. You can see everyone is ready with their phones and cameras. In this clip, you can see how closely the train is going. That's the reason why it is advisable to stand well away from the tracks. The train honks but not continuously. You can see the shops opening once the train departs. This is a unique experience you can get visiting this place. If you want, you can ride this train from Ban Lam train station to Mae Klong Railway Market. It takes about 45 minutes to go to Damnyon Sadok floating market from Mae Klong Railway Market. There are some queues available at Mae Klong Railway Market that go to Damnyon Sadok floating market. Sangchews are passenger vehicles that transport multiple people. They charge about 20 to 30 baht per person. You can relax with a drink or a coffee after the train departs. Here is the menu. This is the Mae Klong market where you can do some shopping if you prefer. These are the surroundings around the Maeklong railway station and the Maeklong railway track. Walk down through this market to the minivan stop and catch the minivan back to Bangkok. Show the slip given to you while coming so that they can put you on the next available minivan back to Bangkok. You will face traffic light stops of Bangkok and heavy traffic of Bangkok if you arrive late in the evening in Bangkok. I started at 11 am in Bangkok and reached Maeklong by about 12:30 pm. I immediately left to Damnon Sadak floating market and returned back to watch the 3:30 pm train at Maeklong railway market. I took the 4:30 pm minivan at Maeklong and reached Ekamai at about 7:30 pm. That means it took me almost 3 hours because of heavy Bangkok traffic and the traffic lights in Bangkok. If you start quite early in Bangkok, then you can avoid all this traffic and save some time. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section.